Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI P30 and I'll show you a couple of tweaks and tricks. So this video will be actually divided into two parts, so not everything will be here. There will be also in another one some other things. And well, jumping straight into it, we'll start off by basically the gesture system. So removing the little buttons there and making them basically gesture navigated. So to do it, let's go to System, way down, System, and then System Navigation. And from here you have choice. You can either have a navigation dock, which just creates a little bubble, I guess, like this one. You can just tap on it. But what we want is this, gestures. And remind me. And now you get to swipe from either side of the screen, and basically it shows you everything in a little neat video or interactive video, I guess. So yeah, from here you can keep on going back from either side, up and hold to open recent tasks, and swipe up quickly just to close an app, and sides for Google. So nope. Okay, so moving on. Okay, now she stopped talking. Moving on, it's going to be the dark interface, and we'll go into she's still talking. Can Google please stop? Thank you. Okay, so we're going to go into settings, and it's going to be in the battery, and darken interface colors. And once you flip that, it will basically turn things dark, like so. It also helps with the display, preserves a little bit of the battery, because every black area, pixels and stuff aren't lit up at the moment, so it does help with the battery as well. And if you want to turn it off, you can just flip the switch back again. So moving on, we'll have the color mode, which is under display. So let's go back and go under display. And because no one really cares about color accuracy, just more vibrant colors on a phone, let's face it, we're gonna go under color mode and temperature right here. And from here, it's already set to vivid, but normally it will be probably set to normal. So you can just change it here, and then you also have like options here to be default, warm or cold. I think default here looks the best. Other ones at least make the white look either too blue or too yellow, in my opinion. So this feels to be the best. Okay, so going back, talking about, I guess, yellow would be the eye comfort. Now it's not very useful during the day, and it probably won't be even on during the day, but at night when you're going to bed and trying to use the phone, it helps using the phone. Basically, it's not so straining to the eye. Makes the display a little bit yellowish, or well, a little bit. You can actually choose how yellow you want it. Probably would be better if I turned off the dark interface, so you can actually see how it looks like. So let's go back into, where was it? It was under, all right here. Sorry. So from here you can actually adjust it to however strong you want it to be, and that is just enabled all the time, but you have an option to basically put a schedule to it and put on where you want it, when you want it to start. So let's say from 10 as it is, or you can actually make it, let's say 11, and till next day till 7 in the morning, or you can just choose whatever time you want, and basically every day at that hour it will turn off and turn off at the hour, like it is 8. So and you can also change how intensive you want it to be with the slider. So I'm gonna turn that off to make it look a little bit better. And the last thing would be the up drawer. Now, right now it looks kind of like an iPhone for some reason, without the up drawer, and every app is smack on a screen. So let's go into settings, and it's going to be under home screen, which is right here, and home screen style right here, and from here you can choose either this one or right here to have a drawer. Give it a moment, and as you can see now you have this little up here for the drawer, and you can get rid of all these apps now. They don't need to be on the screen, and you can also do it, I think there is a way to do it a little bit quicker by selecting them. And can I move them all at once? Oh yes, I can. So you can basically select each one of them, and because they're already in the app drawer, just remove them like so. Also tap on these, and not like that. Okay, and we can move it here and remove it, and now basically the screen is nice and clean. So move that, no need for it. Oh, come on. Okay, so those are a couple tricks for the phone, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.